Yeah, you're feeling my excitement. I not only love Christmas, but I love Christmas breakfast. I look forward to ham, lamb, and jam every Christmas morning. However, you do your breakfast. Some people do breakfast whole day and then have lunch whatever time in the afternoon. However you do it, that's why I'm here today, to kind of give you some ideas so that you can do Christmas breakfast brunch. And I'm starting with simple, easy to fix Betty Crocker pancakes. This pancake mix is everything you need for perfect pancakes. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to pull together some pancakes. And then we also going to Christmas it up a little. We're going to Christmas it up. I'm going to show you how. So I'm getting this pancake mix out. And I want just about 2 cups, very simple, 2 cups of this pancake mix. Cold water, and I want a cup and a half-ish. I'll tell you why ish. There's a particular way I like my pancake mixture. So when you mix that together, yeah, you want to get a batter. So I kind of did half-ish. But you want your batter a little runny like that. You don't want it clumpy. So you mix, make sure everything comes together. Nice, smooth butter. So I told you I'm going to Christmas it up. So I'm adding just a touch of green food coloring. So I really just want just a drip. This is very potent stuff. Boop. And I'm going to kind of just mix that. So green pancakes is what we're going with this morning. And I'm starting with a nice big boy. So a nice full spoon. You're looking for bubbles. That's your first step. You're looking for bubbles popping up. It takes literally less than a minute or so. Once your pan is nice and hot, you start to see bubbles popping up there already. Once those bubbles start coming up, see what's happening? Bam! Once flipped, you need just about a minute for it to come together and have that perfect pancake. Tell me you like my green pancakes. First pancake, I'm going to go through a couple other sizes and then you're going to see what the final Christmas tree pancake for breakfast is going to look like.
And the neighbors next door, when they come, we go have a ball. Now look at me.
It's also be perfect. This is good stuff for the kids to do Christmas morning as well. Nice fun Christmas morning, you know. So you see it's stacking, different sizes coming up. Another one. Another one. And just my last one to the tippy top. That is a Christmas tree. A Betty Crocker Pancake Christmas tree. Right. Feeling proud about that. And just before I invite my very special guest, I just want to drizzle whatever. If you have honey or you like some syrup, I like honey. I like to kind of just do a little honey sprinkle all over, all around. I don't know where Morella get these, so it's really just some nice little things that will kind of decorate, make it look like lights. And I know you're a little more creative than me, so you could have fun with it, but that's all you're looking to do. That's all. It's just nice little decorations. It looks like lights. It looks like Christmas lights. lighting, you know. So my special guest in-house today is none other than a young man that has been really tearing up the social media platforms, an entertainer, a comedian, did something called a comedy fete, which we'll hear about. His name, Gervail Lemo, aka Junior Lee. My brother.
Thank you for having me.
How are you doing, brother?
I've been fine.
Blessings,
How are you?
blessings,
Hey.
blessings, blessings. Merry Christmas. Compliments of the season.
Yeah, blessings.
I was sitting here, right? Yeah, oh, blessings.
Right,
Right?
love. Like a Rasta man.
How you doing?
I am fine for now. How's everything?
I hope you do pancakes.
I do. I never did it like this before.
You never did it like this before.
But I will do it.
Because I have never did it like this before either. But thanks to Betty Crocker, we could get creative.
Yes, hey, shouts to Betty
we could get
Crocker.
creative.
Seeing the sorrel on top.
A little sorrel leaf on top.
Yeah,
A little
sorrel leaf on top.
All right, green pancakes to make the
So
green
this is
Christmas
a Grinch pancake.
tree. You could call it that, Junior.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna dig in.
Dig straight in.
Yeah,
Dig
because
straight in.
I came hungry.
Yeah.
So start at the top or the
You
bottom?
can start where you want. If you start at the top, you start at the top. If you like the bottom, start at the bottom. You do you, Junior.
It's 2022. Okay, alright. Let me see. So cut all the way through. It's soft and tender.
Nice. I like my pancakes light and fluffy. Stay quiet, you just eat.
Yeah. Alright. See, you give it a nice little pizza cut and you
Nice.
hold on, hey. Alright, shall we kind of going for a big one.
You're going for a big one.
Going for a big one. Let's see.
Hey, that's how perfect cut you make there.
You make this.
The Copper Joe man. When we come back, guys, we're going to learn much more about this guy. If you're now seeing him for the first time, check out at social media.
At Junior Lee _ so crazy.
At,
It isn't good.
it isn't good.
Don't bang, man. Don't bang,
It isn't
man. Don't
good.
bang, man.
It isn't good. It isn't good. It isn't so good that I want to present you with this.
Don't lie.
Yeah. Because I want you to go home Christmas morning
I make this.
and make Betty Crocker pancakes.
Mommy, we're not making no groceries. We good.
Because these are folks at Betty Crocker, guys. Junior Lee is in the house. We are coming right back.